As part of his visit to Japan, the President of Turkmenistan, Serdar Berdimuhamedov, met with the Prime Minister of Japan, Shigeru Ishiba. Bilateral talks were held in the Japanese government building, attended by members of the official delegations of both countries. At the beginning of the meeting, President Serdar Berdimuhamedov congratulated Prime Minister Ishiba on the successful opening of EXPO 2025. He emphasized that Turkmenistan attaches great importance to the development of cooperation with Japan and noted that open and friendly political dialogue at the highest level is a solid foundation for strengthening bilateral relations. The sides discussed a wide range of issues related to political, trade economic, and cultural humanitarian cooperation. Particular attention was paid to inter-parliamentary relations as an important instrument for strengthening mutual understanding between the countries. At the end of the meeting, President Serdar Berdimuhamedov invited the Prime Minister of Japan, Shigeru Ishiba, to participate in an international forum that will take place in Ashgabat in December of this year.